Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it's almost time for school. I mean, man, has it really been 2 months since June? I praise the mythical male gods. Give me a sign that it's August. Oh, the Marvel Collector Corps box for August. Okay, so we got the box, the Marvel Collector Corps box for August. This is the third box in the series. I got the first two. You can check out those videos some other time. They're in the Marvel Collector Corps playlist. Now, let's get to it. Magical Ninja Sword of Mail. Oy. Okie doke. I don't know what's inside. It's all a surprise to me. So, first, I got these two patches. And I got one patch and one pin. One patch is of Falcon / Captain America, sort of. And the other is a pin that says Collector Corps with Iron Man. Ugh. That's, yeah. And, that's okay. So those are the first two items. And the inside, I don't really know what we get yet, because it's a surprise. Let's do this. Oh, so the first thing you see is a t-shirt that says Secret, hold on. It's a Secret Wars t-shirt. Okay, so it has Funko Pop versions of some Secret Wars characters. Yeah, Iron Man, Falcon, Spider-Man, well, Ultimate Spider-Man, Thor's daughter. T-shirts are cool, as always. Then the second item we see, oh man, this is a comic book, a Secret Wars comic book of, a Secret Wars comic book. #1, and it has a picture of Funko Pop with Thor's daughter. And then, the last two items, you get two, count them, two Funko Pops. You get, okay, two Funko Pops. One of Thor's daughter. Yeah, one of Thor's daughter, or Thor. And Spider-Man, Miles Morales. So, that is so cool. Yeah, this time you got two Funko Pops. That is new. And again, the inside has a comic strip pattern. Looks like from Secret Wars. So, in review, we get the t-shirt, the comic book, the two Funko Pops, the patch, and the pin. So, thanks for watching the Marvel Collector Corps August Secret Wars unboxing, and always, Mao.